find out you don't have any hot water. This is the house I'm rehabbing, but I own rentals, so I've run into this before. So I'm going to go down to the basement and find out if what I think's going on is going on, and I'm going to walk you through it. And hopefully this helps you with your hot water issues. If it does, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. It doesn't cost you a dime, but it helps me grow my channel, and I need to grow my channel. Thank you. So here's my hot water heater. Whirlpool. This gas valve is a Honeywell. And the reason I am suspicious is because I've run into this before. See the status, that little status, oh my goodness, sorry, that right there, that should be blinking. About one every second or something like that. Not one every second, but it should be blinking one. Well, let's say, yeah. It's not blinking, okay? The temperature's set a little, looks like it's a little above hot, and that's probably the problem. What it does is it sets off. These are notorious for it. See that number 4 right there? High temperature shutdown. So I think that's what's going on. I hope that's what's going on, because I don't want to replace hot water heater. So what you're going to do, you're going to turn this counterclockwise to off. Wait 10 minutes. That'll allow any gas to clear. And then we'll come back in 10 minutes. I'm going to run through something that should reset that. So yeah, I'll show you these step by step. So I'm turning this counterclockwise to off. That's actually off. It's as far as it'll go counterclockwise, if you can see that. So we'll be back in 10 minutes. All right, 10 minutes later, we're gonna come back down here and we're going to attempt to light the pilot light. Or we're gonna light the pilot light by turning it to pilot. It's on off, it's been off for 10 minutes. We turn it to pilot. You know you're on pilot when you can push it in about 1/4 of an inch. So I'm not quite there. All right, there we are. Now I'm gonna hold that in and at the same time strike this till we get, that should light the pilot. And then this will start blinking. So that's what we're gonna do. If I can do it with a camera in my hand, and yeah, this will be fun. And depressing that. So, all right, I'm depressing. Now I'm gonna just start hitting this about 1 every second till that flashes. Actually, I heard the pilot light, so I'm not gonna keep hitting that. I can hear a flame. But technically you're supposed to hit that until that starts blinking. I hear a flame though. And in probably about a minute or so, that light should start blinking. I've got another light. There we go. See what it's doing? All right, count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. All right, this is what's going on. Status light codes. It is what I thought it was. High temperature shutdown. And more than likely it's because this was slightly above hot. It for some reason does that. So what I'm going to do here is turn it from pilot to very hot and count 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then turn it to hot for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to turn it to pilot for 10 seconds. It's hard to see with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we want to see this just, it's not lit yet. Maybe I wasn't on pilot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, see how it's blinking now? Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, pause, it's 1, pause, 2, pause, 3, pause, 4, pause. That's how it's supposed to be, but I haven't heard the, I heard the pilot light, but I'm not hearing the flames going on. Oh, we need to turn it to hot. I'm sorry. There we go, hear that? So we're just below hot. Keep this slightly below hot. These Honeywells don't like to be above hot at all. And I'm thrilled that that fixed that, and I hope that fixes yours. So just a quick, short video here to show you something might help you, and I hope it does. Cheerio.